Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well today. Today's recipe is very easy, quick to make, and budget-friendly. Here I have some eggplants that I washed very well. Now I am cutting them into round slices. I take a bowl and add some water. Then I add salt. I mix the salt well into the water. I soak the eggplant slices and leave them for 20 minutes. I will come back after that. I place a plate on top to keep the eggplants under the water. This helps them absorb the salted water evenly. After 20 minutes, I drain and remove all the water. I rinse the eggplants to remove the excess salt. Then I dry them well using a clean cloth. Here I have 500 grams of tomato sauce. I blended fresh tomatoes with crushed tomatoes and some water. I use 3 tablespoons of oil. I also add half a medium onion finely chopped. I add basil, black pepper, salt, and a little sugar. I gather all the spices and ingredients. I add the oil and mix everything together. Then I add the chopped onion. I stir everything before adding the rest. I mix until everything is well combined. Now I prepare the pan. I spread 1 ladle of tomato sauce on the bottom. I arrange the eggplant slices. I add pieces of cheese or grated cheese as you like. This step is completely optional. I sprinkle some parsley. I add a light pinch of salt. I add another layer of tomato sauce. I add another layer of eggplant slices. I add cheese again. You can grate the cheese and spread it evenly if you like. I sprinkle parsley again. I add a light pinch of salt and a little more tomato sauce. I spread it on top. I add more cheese. Do not worry about the layers. I add more cheese on top. I sprinkle parsley again. I add a light sprinkle of salt. I pour in the remaining tomato sauce. I add mozzarella cheese. You can also use any red cheese you have. I add Parmesan or red cheese as a final layer. I use about 20 grams. I cook it on low heat and cover the pan. I let it cook for 25 minutes. Then we continue the final steps. After 25 minutes, I remove the lid. I let it cook for about 10 more minutes. The eggplant has released its excess liquid. The sauce has thickened nicely. Now I turn off the heat. This is the final result of our eggplant dish. It cooks quickly and tastes absolutely delicious. Adding parsley is optional for extra freshness. I add a little just for decoration. I will serve some to show you the texture. As you can see, it looks very rich and tasty. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, subscribe, and activate the bell for more recipes.